Alright folks, this is Hangwan 815 HG 815A Pro version Hummer that I recently got. Just going to give you a quick once over. I'm not doing that unpackaging crap because you all know about that stuff. Took me about 2.5 weeks to build, actually 3 weeks, and it's quite tedious. I'll show you as I go around here. I added a couple of things. I got my little gas can, fire extinguisher, and a little toolbox. It has tools in it. That tool bag has chains and pull strap in it. But in another video I'm going to post, it actually works pretty good. I took it out and it performed pretty well. There's supposed to be a another shield over this. It kind of looks like an engine, but you can see how tight this stuff is packed in here with the battery and all. The electronics are the biggest and hardest part. Took the most time. I got to introduce you. You've seen him in other videos. That's Archie. He's my assistant. Just a quick walk around the front winch. I don't know if you noticed that. It actually does work, and it's pretty strong too. It'll pull dead weight. Runtime, I had it up for about 40 minutes. You'll see it in the other video, but not all of it was on there. I added that little guy. These seats actually tilt forward and back. But for what you pay for it, this is actually pretty good. Granted, it's built in Nagasaki. I'm pretty impressed. It's got some pull power and just another one of those toys. Other than that, hope it helps.